Good morning, Oyaore. And if it's evening, wherever you are, Oimore. Good evening. Now we are really in unprecedented times, and I would like to urge everyone who is watching this channel to hang in there, because the times that we are living in have never been seen before, at least in our generation. We would urge you to please wash your hands with soap and stay indoors, because most of the world right now is staying indoors so that we can manage the coronavirus. Oyaore ahinya, arwaki e puonj ma kawuono. Wakwayo ni mondo ichak gi luoko lweti kendo idong' e ot. Kik iwuog oko nyaka tuo mar coronavirus ni bed ni orumo. So today, because we are here for a long while, I thought maybe let's do something for the new entrants and revise some of the things we've done in our channel with those who've been here for a long time. So I'll be doing videos probably every day of revision of what we've been doing before, and maybe new stuff, never know. Let's see what happens, but I'll be home for the next 30 days. Let's start with the Luo alphabet. So, and I'm reading my notes. So, the Luo alphabet has 17 consonants and 5 vowels. 17 consonants and 5 vowels. Some of the consonants do not stand by themselves. So I'll just write them, I'll just pronounce all of them. A, ba, cha, da. E, fa, ga, ha. I, ja, ka, la. Ma, na, o, pa. Ra, sa, ta, u, wa, ya. That's the Luo alphabet. You notice we don't have the letter Q, we don't have the letter Z. The letter C goes together hand in hand with the letter H. And now I want to give examples of how to pronounce words so that you know how to put words together and pronounce, which is different from how you do it in English. Now, the sound of A, the letter A, is pronounced as mad. You know, like this? How do you pronounce this? So, if you see the letter A in Luo, you pronounce it as A. A. B is pronounced at ba. 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 C, ch, ch. Most C will have C and H, so ch, like charge. When you want to charge, ch. D, 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 d. E, like egg, e. F is f, like fat, f. G, g, like girl, g. H, hat, you know hat, like a hat, kofia, hat. Then I, like it. J, jungle, jug. K, like come, L, lumb. M, mutt, mutt. N, Nurse. N, n. O, o. Order, order. O. P, per, park, park. R, rat. S, sit, sit. T, turn. U, O, like stool, bowl, stool. O. W, where, where. And Y is y, like year, year. Okay? So that's how you pronounce the Luo words. I will also give you grouped consonants because these are very important. In Luo, there is so much of grouped consonants that you need to work with, and we expect a lot of learning on grouped consonants because most of the words are put together, and the way you pronounce the grouped consonants will affect the meaning of the word. So I'll put in some grouped consonants here and pronounce all of them. Then you can maybe replay this video and check your pronunciation and match it with mine. So I'll start with cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Da, de, di, do, du. Again, da, de, di, do, du. Then you have mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu. Mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu. Nga, nye, nyi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nye, nyi, ngo, ngu. Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Twa, twe, twi, two, two. So those are the grouped consonants in the Luo language, and we'll use a lot of them in our coming videos. Now you notice that in my channel now we cannot be able to put in links. This is because this channel is child friendly, and child friendly channels have disabled links and have disabled some of the features that other channels have, like commenting and replying to comments, so I can no longer be able to see that. Instead, we please ask you to send suggestions in our email, and I'm posting the email here so that we can be able to talk together and just discuss this. So please send us suggestions, and then look out for the video tomorrow for the next lesson, which will continue from where we've come from. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a good day. Please wash your hands and stay indoors for the time being. Let the government deal with this. Bye.